Hello everyone, in this video we are going to cover the Sabarimala temple issue. If we talk about Sabarimala temple, it is a Lord Ayyappa temple. It is a Hindu pilgrimage in the state of Kerala. As per the Travancore board which manages the Sabarimala temple, there is a ban on the entry of women in the menstruating age group of 10 to 50 years into the temple. The Ayyappa temple in Sabarimala prohibits women of menstruating age between 10 to 50 years of age from entering it. This prohibition is enforced under Rule 3B of Kerala Hindu Places of Public Worship Rules 1965. In 1991, the Kerala High Court upheld the ban in S. Mahendran vs. Secretary Travancore case and directed the Devasam board to implement it. The judgment went unchallenged for 15 years until the India Young Lawyers Association revived the issue in Supreme Court through a PIL contending that Rule 3B violates constitutional guarantee of equality, non-discrimination and religious freedom which are provided under Article 14, 15 and 25 of Indian Constitution. The Young Lawyers Association filed a petition in Supreme Court challenging this rule in 2006. After a long period of time, the three-judge bench of Apex Court referred the matter to a constitutional bench. The temple management has contended in the court that they are allowed to frame rules for the shrine without the state's interference as the Ayyappa devotees form a denomination. They also said that it wasn't discriminatory as the tradition was born from the belief that the deity is a Nastik Brahmachari, that means eternal celibate. Senior advocate Indra Jaisingh, who represented the petitioners, said that the restrictions went against Article 14, 15 and 17 of Indian Constitution. She further argued that the custom is discriminatory in nature and stigmatized women, and that the women should be allowed to pray at the place of their choice. The five-judge bench of Apex Court, led by Chief Justice Mr. Deepak Mishra and comprising Justice Nariman, Justice Khanwilkar, Justice Chandrachud and Justice Indu Malhotra, in a 4-1 majority verdict, said that the temple practice violates the rights of Hindu women and the banning entry of women to shrine is gender discrimination. The five-judge Constitution bench said that the provisions in the Kerala Hindu Place of Public Worship which authorized the restriction on the entry of women violated the rights of Hindu women to practice religion. Chief Justice Mr. Deepak Mishra, Justice Nariman, Justice Khanwilkar and Justice Chandrachud were unanimous in their view that the practice of barring women devotees was illegal, unconstitutional and arbitrary. But Justice Indu Malhotra, who was the lone woman judge on the bench, penned a dissenting verdict holding that the worshippers of Lord Ayyappa belonged to a separate religious denomination and the entry ban of women in the temple was an essential part of their religion. Thank you, and that's all for the day.